Well, here's some you don't see every day. There's 6 stones in this truck and he's loaded. This is going to erosion control for a river. I'm gonna climb up there and have a peek at that and see how big those are. That's crazy. Yeah. So looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stones in here. And that big one there has got to be 10 feet long and 3 feet thick almost. That's crazy. A little hard on the box. Rocks I just videoed. So you can see how big they're poking out of that truck. Those are huge. As far as gravel, that's for sure. Big stuff. He said there are only about 12 rocks per ton and there's 39 tons per load. So that tells you the average of how big the rocks are. Anyway, so I hope you liked that. I did, but I'm sure it's not really that thrilling to most people. But we're not most people. See you later.